Okay, well, obviously I forgot to pause. I'm a little bit confused right now. So you probably saw me recreate everything. That's okay. um, so this is where the player is going to spawn out. If you don't know, here, first of all, let me open. Oh, my dog. Sorry for my dog. Sorry. And open up your browser. I use Google Chrome, and you're gonna go to Google 3D Warehouse. So Google. I'm getting like 10 frames per second. I don't know why. Open up Google. Go here, sketchupgoogle.com or whatever, and type in like Thompson. I found just one. I think it was this Thompson that I used, and you download it, and then you go over to Google. Go back to Google, and just look for Google Sketchup. And once you download that, then you can open the file that you downloaded, the Thompson file, with that, and you can save it to your here, something like this will open up. Here we go. Thompson. It was called TM for me. See all results. That's a lot. Okay, and then something like this will open up. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, up, up. Here. And a Thompson will appear, because that's what you downloaded it with. And then you open the file, and then you can go to File, Export 3D Model, and save it to your desktop as I forget what file it's called. Just save it as your desktop, whatever it stays at. And then when you want to export it to here, go to Assets, Show and Explorer, go inside the assets, create a new folder. I don't have to because I have one. I called it Guns, and then I went to my desktop and I dragged the file, pull it into here, and I placed it inside the Guns folder. And this is it right. No, this is it right here. This is the M4, but this is it right here, and that's what happened. And then it'll show up here, and you can drag it in when you want. See, you can drag it in if you want. Whoa. Oh yeah, by the way, it's a little large at first, to let you know. Here it is. So now you can take your Thompson, place it in. Now you'll notice that it's like almost as large as the entire platform. That's not good. So you're taking this or this, and then just drag it and kind of shrink it down to the point where it's like a tiny little gun. And of course I have to move it. So take this and just drag it up a little bit, and it's upside down. Why is it upside down? Don't ask me why it's upside down. Kind of wanna flip it a little. I'm not good with turning because here, go on this screen a little bit bigger. Good enough for me. Now I'm gonna move it over here. Still too large. So I have to take this, shrink down a little bit. Oops. Okay, and now bring it over. don't have to do this anymore. Try to make it so the character sees it go by. There it is. Now you can place it the way you want. While I'm doing this and trying to set it, I'm going to go back into this TM. No, not R. TM. See all results. Scroll down to the bottom. Open up this. And I'm sorry for taking so long. I haven't practiced in a while. And I'm going to go here. Okay. I'm going to just scroll out. Like to here. And then File, Export, 3D Model, Thompson 2, Desktop. You can also just save it directly into your, desktop export. Load up, close out of this, all of that. Then you can drag, and if you can't see my desktop, I'm sorry. It should be somewhere around here. There it is. And then I go back into Unity and Assets, Show and Explorer, Dora. Drag it over here. Assets. Drag it back right there. Guns. There. Take my Thompson 2. Close this up. Open up Unity. Pep Flash Player. I didn't download anything. Okay. You can delete your old Thompson now because it's kind of pointless to have it. Now you can go down to your guns. Thompson 2. Still a giant. You shall die, giant, along with your soul. Don't shrink. There, perfect. Now we just have to drag it. Drag down. Over here. I need the sensitivity on my mouse. Nice. Excuse me. Who heard that? Here, let's test it out really quick. It'll maximize. Oh, forgot about that part. Okay. You can drag. Let me turn off stats. That looks pretty good. Now, you're probably wondering, it's so dark. Well, I'll fix that in a second. Drag the Thompson into the first person, into the main camera inside of the first person controller. And you'll see that there's Thompson. That's all of this. And, that's a good thing, I think. I hope. Now you're going to go over here on search, game object, create other, and directional light. This just brights up things, and I don't know where it was placed, but I don't care right now. Now, search over here and for skybox. There are a bunch of different ones. I'll just choose a random one. Early sky bright, eerie sky box. Okay, now you're going to go to Edit, Render Settings, and drag this into the skybox material, which says none, but now you see a sky. And if I play, this is what it looks like. You see the sky, you got a bunch of trees. It's pretty cool. Now I can pause it. I do want to move the gun a little bit back. A little bit towards him. No, there. And now, I don't know how this recording begun. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I like it. I'm gonna check how long the how long is it? 2,188 frames. All of that. Good. That's it for this tutorial. Rate, like, comment, subscribe, and you'll see part 2 right after part 1 is uploaded. So that's pretty awesome. So rate, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.